Unlocking the secrets to buying or selling your home starts with understanding one crucial tool: Zillow's Market Heat Index. First, head over to Zillow.com and enter the city, neighborhood, or zip code you're interested in. Let's say we're curious about Seattle. On the search results page, scroll down until you find the Market Heat Index section. It's usually located below the overview of homes for sale. This index is a visual representation of how competitive the market is. It ranges from very cool to very hot, with neutral in the middle. The color-coded gauge makes it easy to quickly assess the market temperature. Click on the Market Heat Index section to expand it and reveal more details. You'll see a description explaining what each level means. Very cool means there are more homes available than buyers, favoring those looking to purchase. Very hot indicates high buyer demand and potentially bidding wars. Neutral suggests a balanced market. You can also often view a historical trend of the Market Heat Index. This shows how the market has changed over time, which can help you predict future trends and adjust your strategy. Use this information to inform your decisions. A hotter market might mean you need to be more aggressive with your offers, while a cooler market gives you more negotiating power. Consider consulting with a real estate agent through Zillow's Agent Finder to take advantage of all market trends. Now you're equipped to decode Zillow's Market Heat Index and navigate the real estate landscape like a pro.